Jerlyn, 60 ka na pala, pareho pala tayong senior na. Kailangan maging happy lang tayo sa life. At i-enjoy lang natin as maging 60 years old para lang tayong magkaedad ng 30 years old. Happy birthday, Jerlyn. Good health and more blessing at maraming birthday pa more. At masaya tayo lagi at laging nandyan ang Panginoon sa atin, kasama natin. At happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy senior.
Hi, Ate Jerlyn. Happy 60th birthday. God bless.
Hi, Nanay Jerlyn. Happy birthday. I wish all the best in this world. From Rodel and Mihi. Happy birthday. Hi, Ate Jerlyn. Happy 60 Natal Day. Hiling ko sa'yo ng mahabang buhay, puno ng tagumpay, pagmamahal, at maraming kaligayahan. Pagpalain ka ng Diyos. Tabya.
Happy birthday, Tita. Wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Love you po. Bye-bye.
Hello tita, happy birthday po. Sana'y marami ka pang blessings na matanggap mula kay God dahil deserve mo po yan dahil isang mabuting tao. Sana ay maging masaya ka sa araw na ito at maging special po ang araw na ito para sa'yo. At bigyan ka pa po sana ni Lord ng malakas na pangangatawan sa araw-araw at sa buong pamilya. Yan, happy birthday ulit tita. Mahal ka po namin. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Tapanin. Thank you sa tanan nga bulig kag sa suporta. Enjoy your day and more candles to blow. Wish you good health and God bless.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Hi Tita, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday. Wish you good health in your everyday life. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Pani, naway magpatuloy ang iyong magandang kalusugan, iyong pamilya at maligayang mong buhay. More birthdays to come. Ingat kayo lagi. Bye-bye.
Bok. Happy birthday. Ben. Anti mo.
Ano raw?
Anti pa ni.
Happy birthday!
Tiyak pagin. Ne, welcome 60 senior citizen ng kita. Happy birthday kabay nga tawaan gi kita kami ni lawas sila bi na gid ikaw kag imong apo kabataan sini nanay Monila, nanay Zaning. Happy birthday liwat. Man pater.
Happy birthday, Midlang Lawas. Saan pa? Tawag kita ang lawas ba yan?
Sige, ambal.
Mahal pa. Hindi ko pambalo.
Happy birthday liwat.
Happy birthday, ne. Dari sa Batman.
Happy birthday, Nanay. Love you. Happy birthday, Nanay.
Love you.
Love you.